What's up, guys? I'm trying to figure out why my 300ZX is misfiring. If you listen closely, you can hear it. Well, it's not doing it. There it goes. It's like pop, 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 pop. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm gonna check my code or my ECU for codes. It's running on off 6. But for some reason it's misfiring. You can hear it. I'm gonna check the coil packs, the cast, the PTU, the mass airflow sensor, what else? Well, I'm just gonna go through all 6 and see which cylinder it is. Or maybe it's just a PTU that I have to change out. But here's the engine bay. It's pretty clean. I'm gonna check the timing as well again. Let's see what else is going on. Alright, that's all. I'll be back in a little bit.